If I told you that Amazon isn't just a place to buy chargers you don't remember ordering but also one of the largest money-making platforms in the world, would you believe me? Today's video is not hype. No, get rich in 24 hours. No borrowed screenshots. Just 10 real, proven ways to make money online through Amazon, explained step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Some of these methods require zero capital, some require small startup money, and others are for people who want to build serious long-term income. So whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, side hustler, or future digital nomad, this video is for you. Grab a notebook, watch till the end, and comment Amazon money if you're ready to start. Let's get into it. Amazon Affiliate Marketing. Beginner-friendly, £0 to start. This is one of the easiest ways to start making money on Amazon, especially if you don't have products. What it is. You promote Amazon products using a special link. When someone clicks your link and buys, you earn a commission. How to start, step by step. Go to Amazon Associates. Create a free account. Choose products people already buy. Share your affiliate link online. Where to promote. YouTube, reviews, comparisons, best of, videos, blogs, TikTok and Instagram, Facebook groups, Pinterest, best niches, tech gadgets, home and kitchen, baby products, beauty and skincare, fitness equipment, books and planners. Pro tip. You don't need to show your face. Faceless videos work beautifully here. Number 2. Selling physical products with Amazon FBA. This is for people who want to build a real business brand. What is Amazon FBA? You send products to Amazon warehouses. Amazon handles storage, shipping, customer service, returns. You focus on selling and marketing. Step by step to getting started. Create an Amazon Seller Central account. Find a profitable product, low competition, source from manufacturers or wholesalers. Send inventory to Amazon. Amazon ships for you. Best product categories: home organization, kitchen tools, fitness accessories, pet supplies, eco-friendly products. Requires startup capital, but scalable and powerful. Number 3. Amazon KDP. Sell books and ebooks. This is one of my personal favorites. What is Amazon KDP? You publish ebooks, paperbacks, low-content books. Amazon prints and delivers. You earn royalties. Step-by-step guide. Create a free KDP account, research profitable book niches, create content, or outsource. Upload and publish, promote using keywords and social media. High-earning niches include journals and planners, children's books, how-to guides, workbooks, educational content. You don't need to be Shakespeare. You need value plus consistency. Number 4. Amazon Handmade. For creatives, perfect if you love crafting. What you can sell: candles, jewelry, soaps, art, home decor, skincare products. Step-by-step guide to start. Apply for Amazon Handmade, create product listings. Set your prices, fulfill orders yourself or via FBA. Handmade products often have higher profit margins. Idea number 5. Amazon Merch on Demand. Print on demand, no inventory, no shipping stress. What it is: you upload designs. Amazon prints them on t-shirts, hoodies, tote bags, phone cases. Step by step, apply for Amazon Merch, create simple designs, upload and optimize listings, earn royalties per sale, best niches, funny quotes, faith-based messages, motivation, family and relationship humor, trending events. Simple designs make serious money here. Idea 6. Amazon Retail Arbitrage. This is flipping Amazon style. What it is: you buy discounted products from supermarkets, clearance sales, online stores, then resell them on Amazon for profit. Step-by-step guide. Find discounted items, check Amazon selling price, list the product, ship to Amazon or customers. Works well for beginners who like practical hustles. Idea number 8. Amazon Wholesale. This is more advanced but very powerful. What it is: you buy products in bulk directly from brands or distributors and resell on Amazon. Step-by-step guide to getting started. Contact authorized wholesalers, get approval to resell, purchase inventory, list and fulfill. Lower risk than private label if done properly. Idea 9. Amazon Influencer Storefront. If you create content, this is gold. What it is: you get a custom Amazon storefront with your recommended products. Step-by-step guide. Apply to Amazon Influencer Program. Once you get approved, build your storefront. Share your link everywhere, works amazingly with YouTube Shorts, Instagram and TikTok. Amazon services and freelancing. You can make money without selling anything. Services you can offer include the following: Amazon listing optimization, product photography, copywriting, ads management, account management. Step-by-step guide. Learn a skill, create a simple service offer, pitch Amazon sellers, get paid monthly retainers. This is one of the fastest ways to earn consistently. Now, let us consider how to choose the best method for you. Ask yourself, do I have capital or £0? Do I want passive or active income? Am I creative, analytical, or practical? Do I want short-term cash or long-term wealth? There's no best method, only the best for you. Common mistakes to avoid: jumping into everything at once, ignoring keyword research, copying saturated products, giving up too early, not reinvesting profits. Consistency beats motivation every single time. In conclusion, Amazon is not saturated. Lazy strategies are. If you treat Amazon like a real business, it can pay you like one. Pick one method, learn it deeply, take action this week. If you found this helpful, like the video. Subscribe for more money-making content. Comment Amazon ready and tell me which method you're starting with. See you in the next video, and remember, trust the hustle.